What's up, guys? So it's been a little bit. Just want to do a quick update on the ST. We got the CVF high flow cats installed. I finally got rid of the OEM cats. They kept on cracking on me, and I welded them 3 times. And I always wanted to do the high flow cats. I just decided to try to limp it along as far as I could. Sorry if the AC is kind of loud in here. It's 102 degrees right now. So anyway, so got the downpipes installed. I also got the strut brace for under the hood to go across both sides there. So I'm going to be installing that today, and then kind of give you guys a little bit of the overview of it. The downpipes are awesome, and honestly, I got them used pretty cheap, so they're definitely worth it. They sound ridiculous. I'll put the phone out there here in a second and let you guys hear a couple revs. Unfortunately, we can't do a cold start because I've been driving it all morning, and it's also way too hot for it to even cool down. So, but man, on the cold start, the turbo spool, whenever it's finally idling down, is awesome. Like that, it honestly is really cool. The car sounds great. My wife actually really likes it. Something that I was a little concerned about, just because it is a lot louder, and it's not as loud as some of the other like 3-inch exhaust systems that some guys have on their Explorers. Like, some of them sound crazy, and if it was my daily, I would definitely do it, but it's my wife's car, so that's kind of the reason why I waited so long to put the high flow cats on it anyway. But yeah, so she's still tuned on 93, still have 0 issues. Have a engine light on whenever I swapped out the downpipes. That I just need to clear it. I haven't. As far as I know, it doesn't really affect the way it's running. It may pull a little bit of the timing, but we're not racing anybody, so it's okay. Other than that, everything else has been pretty much flawless. I mean, we haven't had any issues with the car. It's been awesome. We still have the ZFG E50 tune in the bag. I just haven't wanted to put it on, and then now that it's this hot outside, I just didn't see any reason to push the car even harder whenever it's this hot outside. So I'll probably wait till the fall, throw the E50 tune on it, and it'll probably feel like it picks up 50 or 60 horse, so that'll be cool. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a couple quick revs from the downpipes, and then we'll get to the garage and install this strut brace on top. Okay, so just got here. We're gonna swap this Steeda brace out for this dirty old stock one. Couple issues, not a couple, just one. The guy only gave me 3 screws whenever I bought this. I bought this used, and I only have 3 washers. So, and there's only 2 bolts because only 2 of the bolts require, or only 2 nuts because only 2 of those bolts require the nuts. But I'm gonna have to make something work because there's 4 bolts, so I'm gonna have to use one of the bolts off of there, and then I'm gonna have to stack these washers this high to be able to have 4 bolts with 4 washers. So got the drills out, about to take this old one off, and then we will see what the new one looks like, how it fits. Pretty pumped, it looks pretty sick. Kind of confused how this all stays square while you're taking this off. I guess it doesn't move a whole lot. I guess they really can't do much. Oh, the drill's dying on me. Okay. There's the old one. Simple as that. Okay, already running into an issue here, because I'm not even sure what those nuts go to, because if we tighten this sucker down, okay, so I don't even like, look, that's not even sitting flush right there. So I'm a little confused, because now, like, that's not, it doesn't make any sense to me on how it's off that far. Like those, look at the holes. I can scoot it back a little bit, but like, that's pretty crazy. I'm not sure how that fixes that, because even if you put this right here, you can't even get that into the hole. Okay, so I took the bolts out trying to figure this out. I actually found the other washer. So put on one of the old bolts here. Looks like someone's getting truck repoed. Put on one of the old bolts here, so it's not gonna have as many threads to grab on. But that's not even really the issue. My issue is I'm so confused how this is like a fabricated piece, and I just don't see any possible way this works. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at the angle difference there. Like, same thing here, there's angle difference. Even if you go like that, it just doesn't make any sense. You would have to put a spacer right here and not right here. There's 4 spacers. It just doesn't make any sense to me. I mean, look how far this is off right here. There's no way to make that right. I don't know. I got all these spacers in here. I mean, I got them to line up, but look at that. Look how that bolt's gonna sit on that. There's no way. This one will line up. If you anchor this one all the way down, look at it. There's no way. I'm gonna tighten it and see, but you're telling me that's how they want that to fit? I mean, look at that. That's crazy. I mean, yeah, it looks fine. But look at the matchup. There's no way. That, whatever. Steeda strut brace, everybody. Well, got it all the way installed. Got these bolts completely torqued down. Terrible fitment right there. That, honestly, I'm going to do some research and see if this is even concerning to leave on. I know some cars don't even have that, but that's very interesting to me that there's that big of a gap. I just don't understand how that's possible. And I know there's nothing wrong with the car. This came off of the exact year model 2020 ST from a guy here locally in town. So it's pretty crazy. Anyway, there's the install. She's dirty.